Hey you guys, welcome back. We're doing some more declutter. We're going over the blush drawer. This is drawer number 6. And if you guys have not caught up yet, if this is your first time watching, please watch the playlist from 1 through 5 so that you can catch up to number 6. Get you a snack. It's not a full drawer, but we're gonna go through them. It's gonna be a lot of swatching and a lot of thinking. I don't have as many blushes like every other YouTuber does or makeup person does, but I do like some blushes. So we're gonna go through them. And I do have a couple of blushes that are already in my Shop My Stash, so we won't go through those because we are working with those and seeing if we like them. As we all know, it's either keep, Shop My Stash, Poshmark, or throw away. And that's all. If you guys know of a shelter that I could package the ones that I don't want up and send them over to, please comment down below and let your girl know. And if you guys hear the water faucet running in the back, I do apologize because I am cleaning my face mask tool right now and I am running hot water on it. I do have a Wonder Beauty peel off mask on my face that I got in my BoxyCharm. So if I'm talking kind of weird, it's because it's drying up and tightening up on my face. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna start off with the Clean Color Miss Chic blush, and this one is in mauve. I am going to keep this. I do have one that's called Sunburnt right now, and I'm actually really loving it. So I thought maybe this one I would really love too. I'm going to put it in my Shop My Stash so that I can use it here on camera. These are from shopmissa.com, so you guys check them out. I do like them. They're very pigmented. So we're going to keep that one. Now we have another one by Miss Chic, and this one is called Gypsy. Let's swatch it and see. Oh yeah, I could rock with that one. So I'm gonna put this one in Shop My Stash too because I haven't used these on camera yet. Now we do have this Tarte mini blush and it's called Partay. I got this in my Sephora birthday gift. It looks like I've tried it. Oh, that may be too light for my skin. And that's a problem with a lot of the blushes that I own. Some of them may be too light for my skin, but I think I want to use this one in Shop My Stash and see if it does still come off ashy on my face. And maybe you'll see it in a empties and I'm over it video. Now this NYX blush, I don't know what brand this is. Oh, it's the high definition blushes. And this is in Electro. Yeah, Electro. You guys, this is very pigmented. A little does go a long way. And you do not need a lot, but I absolutely love this blush. So I am going to keep it. Now I do have two Wet n Wild Color Icon blushes. One is in apricot in the middle, and the other one is pearlescent pink. You guys, it's hard for me to get rid of Wet n Wild, but I don't know. That is so pretty, and it has a little shimmer to it. This one is pearlescent pink. I'm gonna put this in a Shop My Stash. And then apricot in the middle. This is like a blush slash highlighter, so I am gonna keep it as well. The next one is by Clean Color, and it is from Shop Missa as well, and this is the American Baked Blush. This one is in the shade Fruit Sorbet. We gotta test this one out. Ooh, that may be too bright. Oh, that's so pretty though. Okay, I'm gonna Shop My Stash this one too. The next one we have is the Baked Blush by City Color, and this one is in the shade Peach. This is so pretty, you guys. I'm gonna swirl it around and we're gonna see. See, that one is like a topper slash highlighter as well. but I think I could make that one work, so I'm gonna keep it. And the other City Color Baked Blush we have is in Coral, which if I like peach, then I'm gonna like Coral. That one may be a little too light. Oh, they're almost similar. I don't know if you guys could tell, but here's Coral and here's peach. I think I'm gonna keep peach and get rid of Coral. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So the next one is gonna be the Maybelline Cream Bouncy Blush, and this one is in Candy Coral. You guys, I used to love these when I first got them, but as you could tell, they're kind of old. And it goes from a cream to powder like. So I think I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one. But you could tell I actually loved it. I love that it's cushiony, but the color just doesn't go. It's more of a pinky type of color. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that one. My City Color Matte Blush. This one is in Rouge, I think. I think the name is Blush Rouge. Blush. I don't know. It's a pink color, but I think this one is too light of a pink for me. Yeah, that's too light. So I think I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one. These are good formulas though. If you guys ever checked out City Color, they're a good formula, but maybe I need to find darker, deeper shades for my skin tone. The next blush palette we got is from e.l.f. and this is in the light palette. You guys, I like this one right here. It is very pretty, but I don't have... These pop out. These actually pop out to single pans, but I don't have nothing that I could put in replace of it. Like, I don't know. Let's see. That one's pretty good. That one is gorgeous. And I think it's this one that's just too light for me. So I think I could keep all three and be away with this last one. And once again, this is the e.l.f. blush palette in the shade Light. That's what this one is. Now the next one is going to be my Fenty Beauty Ginger Binge in Moscow Mule. You guys, I'm keeping this. There's no doubt about it. Everybody loved these when Rihanna came out with it, so I am going to keep it. Moving on to this section. This one is a e.l.f. blush, and this one is in Mellow Mauve. And I think I'm going to keep this one as well. It was just a pretty mauve-y color. It doesn't show up all that well, but I think it'll be good for just a hint of color on your face. So I'm going to keep this one. And then we have the e.l.f. Bronzed Violet. What is this? Oh, you guys, I used to use the hell out of this when I first started my channel. I actually use both. This one is, these are cream to powder type of colors. And I used to use the hell out of this when I first started my channel. But I haven't used it since. So I'm wondering if I need to shop my stash it. Yeah, I'm going to shop my stash it. Just to bring it back. This was like a oldie but a goodie. So I think I'm going to shop my stash it and see if I'm still in love with it. Alright, moving on. We have another Wet n Wild color icon. Let me zoom you guys in some. We have another Wet n Wild color icon in Rosé Champagne. You guys, I never even opened this. So, sad to say, I gotta find the camera, you guys. Sad to say, but I am gonna shop. I am gonna Poshmark this. So, if you guys are looking for this color, check out my Poshmark store down below in the hot box. Alright, so the next one is the NYX Ombre Blush, and this one is in Sweet Spring. I can't even remember what this one looked like. Oh, yes. Okay, I'm keeping this. It fades from a peachy pink to a light purple. I'm gonna keep this, but I'm gonna put it in Shop My Stash because I haven't used it in a while. And then the last blush right here is gonna be the Maybelline Dream Bouncy Blush. This one is in Orchid Hush. Guys, I don't know about this one. This one may be too light. I haven't used this one a lot at all. Yeah, that's way too light. It's almost like sorry you guys, every time I get on camera my voice wants to crack, but this one almost looked like a highlighting color. So I wonder if I should use it, put it in my highlighter drawer. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put this in my highlighter drawer. I'm gonna keep it and put it in my highlighter drawer, and once we get to highlighters we'll revisit this one and see if I still like it. And these things that I got here are from Dollar Tree. All these bins right here is from Dollar Tree. So we're gonna work on this last one. And we do have the Ulta Cheek color, and this one is in Adore. You guys, I love this. It has a little shimmer to it, but it is deep enough for my skin tone that I just love. So I know I'm gonna keep this one. The Maybelline Dream, you guys, I have a lot of these. This one is in Plum Wine. I'm keeping this, there's no doubt about it. It is a dark berry color, and a little does go a long way. I hope you guys can actually see that. It is just a deep berry color that you can wear for fall. So I'm going to keep this one. My Black Radiance blush I'm going to keep as well. This one is in the shade Raspberry. You guys, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There's not many Black Radiance blushes I like, but I love Raspberry. So I need to use it up some more. It looks like, yes, it has like that gold hint to it. It is so pretty, you guys. I need to pull this out and Shop My Stash because I've had it for a while, so I need to use some of it before it becomes too old. Now the next one is by Malibu Glitz. I found this on Shop Miss A too, and it just says blusher on it, but it is a pretty blush color. Looks like this, and it has a design of a rose in it. Beautiful. And this color is very, very pigmented. So I'm gonna Shop My Stash this one as well and see if the color payoff is the same on the face as a swatch. We have another NYX Ombre blush, and this one is gonna be in Code Breaker, which is my favorite one. I'm gonna keep it. Literally, you just dab your brush into it and put it on your face, and it's gonna show up, you guys. It's gonna show up and show out. I love that it goes from a hot pink to a purple. You could swirl it, mix it together, or use either or, and it comes out just perfect. So I'm gonna keep this one. My Wet n Wild Mellow Wine. Didn't we just have this? I thought we just had a mellow wine. Oh, it was in this one. It was in this one from e.l.f. This one is called Mellow Wine 2. So as we could tell, they're both two different shades. The Wet n Wild Mellow Wine is a little bit more mauve-y than the e.l.f. one. Oh, so pretty. So let's see. Alright, I just made my decision. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the e.l.f. and keep the Wet n Wild. The next one is my Juvia's Place Bella Blush. And I just got this not too long ago, so I am going to keep it. I have been testing it out, so I'm going to put it in my Shop My Stash so that I know to reach for it first before I reach for the ones that I actually love. But you guys, this is a very pigmented blush, and I'm going to keep it. And the very last one in this drawer, yes, is going to be the Pretty Vulgar. I got this in BoxyCharm. It's a blush, and it is called Make Them Blush. You guys, I don't know how to feel about this one, so I think I'm going to put it in Shop My Stash. It's very powdery. I'm going to put it in Shop My Stash and test it out some more. Ooh, very pretty. It's very, very pretty. I'm going to Shop My Stash it and see if I still love it on the face like I love it in the swatch. and we'll go from there. But you guys, if you guys are not a part of BoxyCharm gives out the best products, in my opinion, products that you may not have tried yet. So make sure to check out BoxyCharm. Alright, you guys, there we have it. That is the empty drawer. I'm gonna pull this out and reorganize them. And one of these sections, I think it's gonna be this section, we're gonna put Shop My Stash products in, and we'll just put the keeps anywhere else. Alright, so there you have it, you guys. These two are my Shop My Stash, and this is my keep pile. So we still have room to grow. So I'm pretty happy with this. I did not count it. I was missing two. I knew I was missing something. I did not count it up or anything, but this is what we're left with. These are the ones we're throwing out. We're throwing away 4. Make it 5 because I forgot about the elf. And we're only Poshmarking 1. So I think I did pretty good to say it's blushes. Like I said, I do have a few blushes that are in my Shop My Stash at the current moment. But I'm going to keep testing those out, and we'll revisit this again at the end of the year. As we all know, I'm doing drawer by drawer declutter, and then at the end of the year, we're going to declutter everything in my makeup collection. So for the end of the year, y'all be ready for a long ass declutter. I didn't say I was doing a extreme makeup declutter or anything like that, but I did want to go ahead and get rid of the things that I know I'm not loving at the moment, and making certain Shop My Stash stations in each drawer so that I know to grab for it first, so that I can, you know, show it some love and test it out and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for drawer number 7 because we're back at it again, baby. And if it's any products that you see that you may have wanted on my Shop My Stash, on my Poshmark, and that I didn't, you know, list on my Poshmark, please make sure to comment down below and I'll go ahead and send you that product. No problem. I'll send it to you or whatever, especially with the products that I'm throwing out that I feel like nobody would actually want. Just let your girl know down below in the comments and I'll put it together and give it to you. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Get ready for drawer number 7. Like I said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you know when I upload another declutter video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.